Getting prepped and ready to go here. The magical Mixie potion container. This is the Shimmerverse potion guide for the Magic Mixies Pixlings. So fun. Okay, so the first thing is cut that off. And luckily it's labeled 1, 2, 3. So the different steps are labeled.
Yeah.
Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour that into here and then squeeze it in. Good job. Yeah, there we go. Oh, just keep it inside. You don't want to make sure all the magical potion goes inside the container.
That's why we have a plate for
Yep,
safety.
and then the plate keeps everything nice.
And then,
guys.
Yeah.
after one, we're gonna do this one too.
Okay. It's step number 2. So we fill it to the water line. Whoop, right there. And we'll do the same thing with yours. There we go. Right there. Ooh, look at that. Magic Miss Shimmery. Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
There.
All of them?
Yep. Okay. Very good.
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay. You can stay right there. All right, so we have the shimmer. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we have the shimmery essence. Ooh, part of the magic potion. Okay, very good. Let your other hand go. There you go. And what we're gonna do, so we gotta move the container so that it lines up and then tip it upside down. Lift your hand up. High, high, high. High, high, high. There you go. And we see it pouring in. Look at that. Look at it pouring in. Ooh, that's shimmery. And hold the handle. And then squeeze it on down. And you can see how it mixes in there. Hey.
Whoa.
I know.
Step
Pretty cool.
number 5.
All right, then. Ooh.
The cosmic charm.
What is your cosmic charm?
This is mine.
Hers are crystals. What's yours, Athena? Oh, a magic leaf. The ring. So we each remove the ring off of here. Pull that off. Okay, and then what it says is turn it the other way. Yep, that way, until it stops.
Which way?
There you go.
Which way?
Yep, that way. Until it stops. Okay, now what it says is say the magic words, Magicus Mixus, and push down hard twice on the moon gem.
Magical Mixus!
And push it hard, really hard, and twice. All right.
I can see my character!
What? Do you see it? What is happening? Whoa, look at that. Whoa, look at that. It cleared up and now we got it.
So after that, we open it.
And then we wait a moment. So it says, wait a minute for the shimmer magic. Turn your potion clear. Whoa. Almost done. Okay, now the next step is we unscrew the lid.
Oh.
Very careful to unscrew the lid.
Oh, not the moon.
No.
We have to
And then you pull
oh my
it
gosh,
up.
this is what it looks like.
Whoa! Look at that. Is that amazing?
So
Okay.
how do we take her out?
And then we unscrew the cylinder cap here. We unscrew it one more time by screwing the moon. Oh my gosh. Then you pull her out. Wow.
I love
See
it.
the-
How does it appear?
Magic.
Yeah, magic, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That
I love it.